Alright, situation. Refer to the figure shown. So, trust ulit. You're given the dimension S, 3 meters. H is 6 meters. And then, yung P na binigay, 2 kilonewtons. Ayan. So, in this problem, we are asked to find the force in member HI, JE, so, and IE. IE. Ayan. So, iba-iba yung mga tanong niya. Okay, so HI, unahin muna natin HI. So to solve for HI, once again, we will need to apply method of section, mas mabilis. So, pwede ka mag-cut lang ng ganito o di kaya pag ganito, isolate mo tong left side, tapos moment ka dun sa isang point, sa point C, solve mo na to. Di ba? Pero kailangan mo natin reaction. So again, as you can see, the structure that we have is symmetrical kasi yung uh, geometry ng truss ay symmetrical and at the same time, yung loading condition ay symmetrical. At dahil doon, madali na natin makukuha yung reaction, bali hati lang sila. No? Half lang sila dyan. So we have, ilang bang 2 yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Limang 2. Limang 2. Tapos divided by 2. So 5. Okay, so yun yung reaction. So to solve for I will need to cut. So pag pwedeng pag ganito yung cut natin, isolate natin itong kaliwa. Okay? So ito nga yung itsura ng kaliwa. Okay, so this is 6 meters. So this is 3, 3. Tapos extend ko lang to. And then meron tayo ditong force na 2 kilonewton. Okay, tapos ito ngayon yung HI natin. Tapos andito yung reaction na 5 kilonewtons. Okay, so dito ang diskarte, magmo-moment lang tayo sa C para directly ma-solve natin yung HI. Kasi meron din dito member forces, di ba? Pero hindi naman yung pinapasolve, so huwag na natin intindihin. So taking summation of moment at point C, assuming counterclockwise positive, we have PHI. As you can see, yung HI, in-assume ko na tension ulit, times 6. Ang rotation ni HI ay clockwise, so negative to. And then yung 2 kilonewton, ang moment arm niya galing sa C ay 3. Ang rotation niya ay counterclockwise. Ito yun. 3 meters. Tapos ang rotation niya counterclockwise. And then si 5, ang rotation niya clockwise. So negative. Ang moment arm niya ay 6, no? Kasi 3 plus 3 galing sa C. Ito. Okay, that is all equal to 0. So therefore, we can solve for HI. Okay, tapos times negative, divided by negative 6. So that's negative 4. So, ang ginawa ko sa calculator, 10 transpose ko to, tapos 10 transpose ko to. So, that's why ito minus ito. Tapos divided by negative 6 para ma-solve yung HI. Kaya negative. So, therefore, this is actually, HI is in compression. Okay, so that's 4 kilonewtons in compression. Next, calculate the force in member JE. Ito naman. Para makuha naman natin yan, ang diskarte, dito naman tayo mag-cut. Ito naman yung cut natin. Yan, daanan natin yan. Tapos, para lang hindi masyadong mahaba, ang i-isolate natin, itong nasa right. So, pwede naman yung nasa left. Kaya lang, ang dami kasing force na masasali doon. No? And same lang yung magiging sagot kahit na you are using left or right side na structure. Okay? So, doon na lang tayo sa mas simple. So, we have, ito ngayon yung may itsura nun. Bali, this is member J, E, F, G. J, E, F, G. Tapos meron tayo dito reaction na 5 kilonewton. Tapos meron ditong force na 2 kilonewton. And then the measurements, the distances, this is 3 meters once again. And then this is 6 meters. Ayan. Okay, and we are concerned with, anong tanong? JE. We are concerned with this force. Mas meron din ditong force, meron din ditong force. Okay, so how do you think we should deal with this? So, wag na moment, no? Wag na moment kasi pagka magmo-moment tayo, ano walang point na magi-intersect tong dalawa kasi parallel sila. So, anong diskarte? Mag-summation of forces ka. Tapos sadyain mo na hindi sila kasali. And that is summation of forces y, di ba? So, taking summation of forces y is equal to 0, assuming upward positive, we have 5 minus 2, and then yung downward component ni JE. So, anong slope ni JE? Well, dito, pwede mong kunin yung angle na to or gamitin na lang natin tong height na to tsaka itong base na to. And that is already the slope. So, ang slope nito is 3 horizontal, 6 vertical. Tapos, we can just take the hypotenuse. 3 squared plus 6 squared. That gives us 3 square root of 5. Okay? So, yung same slope na yon, ito yun, 3, 6, 3 square root of 5. We can use that to find the y component. And that is simply 6 over hypotenuse. So, 6 over 3 square root of 5. And that's it. And from here, we can solve for JE. So, 5 minus 2, pag transpose, negative 5 plus 2. Tapos, negative ito, no? So, multiply tayo ng 3 square root of 5 over negative 6. Or pwede nyo i-shift solve kung ayaw nyo ng ganyan. So, you can solve it to be 3.35 kilonewton positive. So, once again, under tension. So, tama yung assumption ko na tension siya. Okay, so our answer here is letter A. And lastly, find the force in member IE. So, ito naman. No? So, inclined member pa rin siya or yung web member pa rin siya. So, I think ganun lang din yung diskarte dito. Mag-cut ka, isolate mo yung left or yung right, tapos summation of forces kasi naka-incline siya. Okay? So, yun na lang ang gagawin ko ha. So, bali, kakat ko naman to. Dito ako. Tapos, eto naman yung isolate. So, drawing ko ulit yon. Ganyan, no? So, E, F, G, J. I, J, E, F, G. Okay? And sa case na to, meron ditong 2 kilonewtons, meron ditong 2 kilonewtons, at saka meron ditong 5 kilonewtons. And then, meron ditong force, pero ang pinaka-concern natin ay ito, PIE. Okay? And then, as you can see, ang slope nito, same lang kanina. Ito, 3 horizontal, 6 vertical. So, this is 3 square root of 5. And then, for the measurements, this is 6 meters. And then, this is 3 meters. So, if you want to include this, pwede naman. Pero sa case kasi na to, hindi tayo mag-moment. Kasi, again, kagaya nung sa previous question, to solve for this, pwede ka na lang directly mag-summation of forces vertical para hindi mo na to intindihin. Okay, so taking summation of forces y equal to 0, assuming upward positive, we have PIE times, ang y component niya ay 6 over 3 square root of 5 upwards, tapos downward yung 2, downward yung 2, upward yung 5. So therefore, PIE is equal to, so bali 2 plus 2 minus 5, kasi pag dinranspose, tapos times 3 square root of 5 over 6. So that's negative 1.12. So the negative sign indicates that mali yung assumption natin na tension siya. So ibig sabihin siya ay compression. Okay, so that's 1.12 under compression. That's letter B. And that's how we solve this problem.